Good morning. This is day 6 of our review. We're gonna focus on this particular graph. So this is number 16. Then after number 16, we go to number 25, similar to this problem. Okay. Now look at the graph. Look at the graph first. And where do you think the graph intersect along the x-axis? At what value of x it intersect? 1. It intersect at 1. Okay? So the intersection is at 1 right here. So therefore, where do you think the graph crosses, guys? At what value of x the graph crosses?
1.
It crosses right here. 1. That means if we do function right here, that f of 1, that means if x is 1, what is y? 0, right? That's what it means. Was 0. Okay? And first is, we said, identify where the graph crosses. The next thing is you're gonna have the f prime of 1. So f prime of 1, or testing for f prime, this is on whether the function is an increasing function or decreasing function. Okay? Now, f prime of 1. What do you think is the function? Is this increasing or decreasing? Decreasing function. So when we say decreasing function, it is less than 0, right? Less than 0. So, less than 0. And that's what's the reason? Because f is decreasing. You get me? F is decreasing. And then for us to have second derivative. Now, the second derivative focuses on concavity, whether it is concave up or concave down. You get me? Now, by looking at the concavity, what is the concavity of this? Concave, say it some, concave up. So, that means if it is concave up, it is greater than 0. Okay? Greater than 0. So, concavity up. So, again, look at the intersection. Next is investigate whether the graph is increasing. So, first derivative is increasing or decreasing. I'd like you to write that down in your layman's term, because guaranteed one of the problems in the actual AP is similar to this one. Okay? So, good morning. So, and the second derivative is testing for asking for focusing on concavity. Again, what is first derivative? Whether the function is increasing or decreasing function. And for second derivative, whether the function is concave up or concave down. This is very important. Mike, Tyler, okay? So, that means we're gonna arrange this. What comes first? We're gonna arrange from least to greatest. What do you think is the least value right here? This one, f prime is less than 0, and then what's next? 0, and then greater than 0. That's the order. So therefore, the order should be f prime of 1, because this is less than 0. And the next order would be a 0, which is f of 1. And the next order should be f double prime of 1. So this is the order. What letter is this? So we're gonna have letter B, right? Okay, letter B is the right answer. Any question? Any question? So therefore, if we do number 25, can you do it by yourself first? Number 25. Again, after the intersection of the graph, where did the graph intersect along the x-axis? Then you proceed by first derivative. First derivative means to test whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Then second derivative to test whether the function is concave up or concave down. You get me? Now suppose the concavity is down. What do you write there?
Less.
That means less than 0. Okay? If it is concave up, greater than 0. If it is increasing, greater than 0. If it is decreasing, less than 0. Okay. Now, I'd like you to work independently for number 25 first.